Hey, so this video is going to show you how to do the fractional volume practice today. So the first slide that you'll get to after you do the introduction slide is this one here, where it just reminds you of the steps that we did in class: length times width times height. So anytime you're asked to find the volume of a cube or a prism, you're going to follow the steps: length times width times height. And you're going to need to use the mixed number calculator. So in Google Classroom, under materials for today, there's going to be a mixed number calculator link, and I've also included a video that goes back through how to use the mixed number calculator if you have any trouble with it. So please make sure you open that up, use that link. If you are in my first class, you're my first period class, please open up the video because I found a better calculator than the one we used yesterday. So make sure, definitely, if you are in my 8:15 class, that you watch the video because I found a better calculator. All right, so if I want to find the volume of this cube, I want to use the formula length times width times height, and I'm going to use my mixed number calculator. And I have a little picture of it over here on the screen, and I have a link for it as well. So if you click the picture, it gives you a link so that you can open that mixed number calculator up if you don't have it open already. So once I use that link to help me get to the mixed number calculator, I need to find the volume. So we learned that with a cube, all the sides are the same. That means the length, the width, the height, they're all the same. So I'm still going to use the formula length times width times height. And so for this particular one, I'm going to do 1/2 is the length, and it's a cube, so that means the width is also 1/2, so times 1/2. And then because it's a cube, the height is also 1/2, so I multiply by 1/2 again. And then if I multiply them, I can do the tops times the top times the top, which gives me 1, and then the bottom times the bottom times the bottom, which gives me 8. So 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 will give me 1/8, and then these are inches cubed, and I don't really have a quick way of putting the little 3 in there, so I'll just write it as cubic inches. And now what I want to do is I want to go all the way to the last slide and find my answer. So once you get an answer to a question, then go all the way to slide 10. And this is where you're going to put your answers into your document. So we're going to go all the way to slide number 10. Oh, I think I deleted it. Come back, come back. There we go. All right, there's slide number 10. So now what I want to do is I want to find my answer. So I'm looking up here, I'm looking for 1/8 inches cubed, and I see it right here at the top, 1/8 inches cubed. So I found my answer. So that 1 lets me know I did it correctly. And then 2, I need to put this into my riddle. So what's happening here is you're trying to basically put words together to make a riddle. So once I find my answer, I'm going to see a word beside the answer. So with this 1/8 inches cubed, I see the word of. That means I'm going to put of on blank number 1 because this all was about question number 1. And if you see down here, the blanks are labeled 1 through 6. So this is where you put the answer to question 2, question 5, question 1, question 6, 3, and 4. So for question number 1, I found my answer and it goes with the word of. So I'm going to put the word of in the box. I'm not going to put 1/8 in the box. I'm going to put the word of in the box. Once you do all of them, you're going to get a riddle. Then when you get to the end, if you want to find the answer to the riddle, you can use the QR code, or you can guess the riddle yourself, or I will tell you the riddle in class on Thursday. All right, if you have any questions, send me an email.